Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can do color personality test on TikTok. So let's start. To do this trend, first click the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Change the language to English. Now slide up and click on Take the Test. Here, you will get 12 questions. Read all the questions carefully and answer one by one. After answering the 12 questions, you will get your result. Here is your result. Now take a screenshot of this page. Take another screenshot of the details given below. Now after this, go to your gallery and crop the photos into two. Now after this, open CapCut application. Now go to New Project and add your one photo and two screenshots. Delete the end part. Now after this, audio link is given in the description. Now set first photo to 5.0 seconds and next to photos to 7.0 seconds. Now add transition. Click on split white box and then look for slide effect in basic. Click on the slide effect and then set the effect duration to 2.0 seconds. Now apply the same effect for next photo and apply the same effect duration. Now after this, a text. Write the text, choose font and style and place the text. Now check your video and export.
Be yourself. Come out of your shell. But maybe real me. There's no way that could be true. We can deal with it together. Together.
The heart.
Now your video is ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.